Looks like I've been daydreaming. We've been waiting for the monsoon, isn't it? But is the summer season really gone? Not yet. That's why in today's video, I'm going to share some amazing ways with you so that you can not only beat this humid weather, but also the scorching heat of the sun. What are we waiting for then? Let's get started. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you doing? Remember, this channel is all about enhancing your style, behavior, and confidence. When it comes to hot and humid weather, what you wear makes a lot of difference. So I'll first talk about the kind of fabric that you should be wearing. Cotton is the best fabric in which you can invest. But if you don't know how to identify pure cotton, let me give you a few tips on that. 100% cotton has thin fibers and so it feels soft. Cotton is quite matte in its look, so it's not going to shine under light. If it's a poly cotton fabric, you will see there's a little bit of sheen on it. Another test that you can do to identify whether it's pure cotton or not is to burn it. No, you don't have to burn the entire piece. What you can do is take a few fibers and hold them against a flame. Remember that 100% cotton will not curl from the heat. It smells very much like burning paper. It doesn't melt, it turns into an ash gray in color. Another interesting fabric is jersey. You will see t-shirts and a lot of dresses made out of this fabric. Originally, jerseys are made out of wool only, but nowadays we also find this fabric made out of cotton and synthetic fibers. This knit fabric is a wardrobe must-have. It's soft, it's stretchy, and it also has the quality of breathability. So though it's a little bit heavier than cotton, but trust me, this is a wardrobe must-have. The next fabric on the list is Seersucker. This is another excellent fabric that you can wear in this hot weather. Seersucker has a puckered texture and it's crease free, so it's quite practical. Unlike linen, it doesn't require ironing every time. So if you are keeping your pieces, whether it's a suit or whether it's a shirt, if you're keeping it properly, it doesn't really require ironing. It is breathable and airy just like cotton, and it looks quite stylish. In fact, recently it has become very popular in Europe. Last but not the least is linen, which has the inherent quality of absorbency. So whether you're wearing it in hot weather or a humid weather, it's going to provide your skin with a lot of coolness. And it's got beautiful pastel colors, so you can go for those. It's going to make you look cool as well, very soothing to the eyes. It is light, it is airy. The only disadvantage with linen is that it gets a lot of creases whenever you wear it. So even after ironing your linen shirt or trouser or short or suit, whatever it is going to get creased. Quick fact on linen. The molecular structure of linen is such that it can absorb as much as 1/5 of its own weight before giving a feeling of being damp or wet. So it is the perfect cooling fabric for you. Let's talk about colors now. The best summer colors recommended by Pantone for this year are: the first one is basil. Sweet and savory basil emanates health and wellness. The second one is gossamer pink. Soft and powdery gossamer pink has a light and tender touch. The third one is daffodil. Joyful daffodil connects us to the spontaneity of a spring garden. Quite fresh. The next one is spun sugar. Spun sugar is a sweetened pastel with an airy nature. And the last one is northern droplet, which is a pale grey that instills the feeling of tranquility. Let me know in the comments below which ones do you like. By the way, there's a bonus tip towards the end of the video, so keep watching. Let's talk about patterns now. In summers, you can wear florals, but it depends on where you're going, and it also depends on the kind of style that you have. We'll be talking about that in a while. However, I would like to recommend a few things that can help you in purchasing the right piece for yourself. If you are big, if you're huge, then wearing bigger prints would make more sense. If you have a structure that is smaller, it is petite, then going for smaller patterns would make more sense for you. Another great tip here is that bulky people can wear patterns that are closer to each other, which makes them look slimmer, and people who are quite thin can wear patterns that have more distance in between them. This is going to make them look fuller with a better physique. Instead of wearing something strikingly visible, too conspicuous, you can go with something that's more subtle. Self-checks or seersucker are great for summers. You don't want to bring too much attention to yourself, and what you're wearing should go very well with the summer feel. So keep it subtle, keep it light, because that's what is required in summers. Let's talk about one of the most important elements, which is the fit. In both hot and humid weather, it's good to wear something that's light and it's airy, and at the same time the fit should be such that it's not too tight on your body. So keep it a bit loose, but don't wear something that's too loose. It shouldn't look like as if you borrowed it from your big cousin. So wear it according to your shape, but yes, you can keep it a bit loose. If it's too tight, it's not going to let your skin breathe, and it's going to make you feel uncomfortable throughout the day. Look at these shorts. Team it up with solid t-shirts for a casual look, and wear breathable chinos for a business casual look. I really like these shorts and chinos for this hot and humid weather because it gives you a lot of comfort when you're wearing these. So do check out the links given in the description below. Alright, it's time for us to talk about your style. Though I have talked about creating a personal style in length in one of my previous videos, the link of which is given here. So you can check it out and you can know more about how to create your personal style. I will in this video too give you an idea of how to create that style in you. So I'll be talking about these three style personalities. One is classic, the other is casual, and the third one is romantic. So let's get started. If you want to create an elegant style, you can go with whites only. Team up your white shirts or your polo t-shirts with beige bottoms. So you can wear trousers or you can wear chinos. It depends on what you're comfortable with. It's going to make you look absolutely classy and rich when you team it up with a leather watch, preferably with a brown strap. And you can further team it up with Oxfords for your formal look and loafers with your business casual. The next one is the casual style. You can wear t-shirts with light or dark blue jeans. An Apple Watch or alike would go quite well with this look. Don't forget to team it up with a pair of white sneakers. For a formal look, you can wear patterns. However, I would recommend you to go with plaids rather than going with something that is floral. Because the third one on the list is the romantic type. You can pull off florals and printed designs really well. Team it up with khaki or black pants, chinos or jeans, whatever you like. Alright, now it's time for me to give you the bonus tip. Like I mentioned, the hot and humid weather makes us sweat a lot. Do you really want to cause that embarrassment to yourself by those wet underarms? No. You can use underarm pads so that they absorb all the sweat in them, and when you are done for the day, then you can discard them. So it is easy to use. You just have to reverse your shirt or your t-shirt, whatever you're wearing, and stick these pads on them, then wear it. So it's going to absorb all the sweat and it will save you from embarrassment. I've also given a link in the description below so that you can buy these. It is absolutely inexpensive, so do not think twice and buy these now, especially if you sweat a lot. Hey, if you're still there, thanks for watching. Do give a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe to the channel along with the bell icon so that you get to know about the latest video that I have uploaded. And stay tuned because in the next video, I'm going to share some easy and amazing hacks with you so that you can take care of your skin and repair it well at home. Till then, you take care. Keep watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.